In this video, learn how to update your exhibitor profile. Each exhibitor detail view consists of an interactive map location, email address, and website, a bookmark and note-taking option, the logo, company name and booth number, a description, filter keywords, and web resources links. Depending on the permissions that your event organizer has set up, you may be able to update your website link, email, logo, product and service description, and up to 5 resource links. As an exhibitor, when you receive your invitation email, click on the Account Setup button or copy the link to get started. You can always come back to this email to access the portal. The Exhibitor Portal opens where you can log in if you have already created your password, or set your password if it's the first time you access the portal. Click Save. After setting your password, you are redirected to the main login page. Enter your email address and password, check the Terms of Use box, and click Login. In the portal page, you see one or more companies you are associated with. The company name, booth location, and type are added by the event organizer and can only be edited by the organizer. Click the pencil icon to update a profile. The edit options available to you depend on the organizer's settings. Generally, though, you would add your company logo, the company website, a contact email, and a detailed product services description. Click Next. The organizer may have granted permissions to add up to 5 additional resource links to add product fact sheets, links to special offers, or a contact form. Let's add a link by clicking Add Link, give it a label, and enter the URL. Click Save. Repeat these steps to add more links. You can edit or delete a link and change the display order by dragging and dropping. Once you have tested your links work by clicking on them, you are done. Click Preview to see how your profile will look in the app. Click anywhere outside of the window to return to the portal. Your changes do not appear immediately in the event app. The event organizer chooses when the updates become available in the app. Click the Support tab for additional information. The event organizer may have provided further information on upgrading to a higher sponsorship level with further editing permissions.